And we start with a big news coming in. Trouble for Congress in Wayanad. Wayanad DCC General Secretary has quit the Congress party. This is PM Sudhakaran, who's resigned from the Congress party and has joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. Wayanad, remember, goes to polls on the 26th, a big setback ahead of phase 2 of polls for the Congress party in Wayanad. Sudhakaran has joined the BJP at the Election Commission office in Kalpeta, says Rahul Gandhi, who's the MP from Wayanad, is not even accessible, and asks how can such a politician be accessible for common man if he is not listening to his own leaders in several constituencies. So that's the big word coming in from PM Sudhakaran as he joins the Bharatiya Janata Party. Also says he's joined the BJP as he is an admirer of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.